Welcome to Positive Atheism English channel. Today, I am going to continue the article on the role of Atheist Center in promoting secularism, which was published in the souvenir of 7th World Atheist Conference organized by Atheist Center, Vijayawada. Gora's Conferences on Secularism. A conference on secularism was held at Vijayawada on October 22, 1968, which was inaugurated by Justice V.M. Tarkunde, the then judge of the Bombay High Court and a radical humanist leader. He said that the concept of secular state does not merely imply that the state will be impartial to all religions. It implies that the state will have nothing to do with religion. Mr. Tarkunde said that the constitutional provisions might entitle one to claim that ours was largely a secular state, but merely law could not create a truly secular state. While the constitutional provisions represented a significant advance towards the ideal of a secular state, a good deal had to be done before the ideal could be achieved. Speaking in the conference, Gora stressed on the need for the abolition of religious endowments. He said that temples, churches, and mosques should be treated as private properties of trusts of individuals and taxed by the state. No special facilities should be given for places of pilgrimage like Tirupati, he said. For the last 70 years, Atheist Center unequivocally has been championing the cause of secularism in India through its practical programs. Numerous conferences, seminars, workshops, and marches were conducted to stress the need to separate the state and religion as well as promoting secularism. Civil marriages and affirmation. Through atheist study camps and in innumerable other occasions, the significance of secularism as a way of life was advocated. Atheist Center popularized the Special Marriage Act for the registration of marriages without reference to caste or religion. Special Marriage Act is a secular method compared to the Hindu, Christian, and Muslim marriage methods. Affirmation instead of oath. Atheist Center spread awareness among people about the availability of secular method of affirmation as an alternative to oath taking. Thanks to the indefatigable fight of Charles Broadlaw in British Parliament for upholding the secular values, the Indian Constitution made a special mention for the secular practices of affirmation. One can take either oath or affirmation while taking office at any level of government, right from president to the local level. It is heartening to note that many prime ministers, including Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, and VP Singh, affirmed while assuming office instead of taking oath. A number of ministers, judges, and other officials and non-officials follow the method of affirmation even today while taking office or giving evidence in the court. In the beginning, atheists had to educate the officers of the court about the affirmation method as the court officials were only familiar with taking of oath. Removal of caste and religious columns. Similarly, Atheist Center is in the forefront of educating the heads of the educational institutions that one need not fill the columns of caste and religions in the application forms. In the beginning, the tradition-bound and arrogant educational institutions refused admission to atheists for not filling up caste and religion in the application form. Atheist Center took the specific instances up to the level of Union Education Minister and the University Grants Commission to mend the ways of a college. The matter was debated in the Andhra Pradesh state legislature also for not admitting atheists into the college on the ground of not filling up the columns of caste and religion. The college had to abide by the constitution and admitted atheists. Atheists strongly advocated the omission of the columns of caste and religion in the application forms of the educational institutions. Sometimes, the arrogant and adamant stance of educational authorities forced atheists to move the matter in courts also. One such matter, which requires special mention in this regard, is the case of the children of Mr. B.V. Subbaiah, a member of Atheist Friends Association. Mr. Venkat Subbaya's two children, who were studying in the first standard of a primary school of the government, were dismissed from the school by the Assistant District Educational Officer for not filling up the columns of caste and religion. In spite of the parents' insistence that they had no caste and religion, the children were dismissed from the school. The dismissal of these children was challenged by atheist B.V. Subbaya in Andhra Pradesh High Court. Justice P.A. Chowdhury of Andhra Pradesh High Court admitted the writ petition on January 29, 1980 and directed the school authorities of Gandavaram Elementary School in Nellore district of AP to re-admit the children and allow them to continue their studies. The Atheist Center undertook activities for the promotion of secularism right from the grassroots level in the villages to the highest institution, Parliament of India. And from here, we shall continue in the next episode again. Thank you.
For more videos, please subscribe to this channel Positive Atheism and activate the bell icon. Please download Samaram multi-channel app and watch your favorite channels from your mobile. App available on Google Play Store and subscribe to the channels.